guys, welcome back. So if you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are returning subscribers, hello again. So in today's video I will be showing you what I will be launching pretty soon, and in my next video I will be telling you guys how I got into this business and why I'm starting this. So stay tuned for that video coming up, probably, I'm not sure when, but just stay tuned for that. And then I will definitely launch my business or my website soon too as well, so stay tuned for that too as well. So I have like a lot of inventories and a lot of supplies that's coming my way. So I'm starting like a lip gloss business, and eyelash business, and bath and body business, and probably many more. I may incorporate probably pet stuff too as well as men's and babies and kids. So stay tuned for that. I will be probably really busy. I've actually done a business like this back in 2013 2014, but I stopped for the moment. So now I'm coming back to do a couple more. I didn't mostly talk about it, but then again, it was just a lot of trial and errors, and then I want to take a break from it because there was just so many things going on. So I'm back actually doing more stuff. I don't know if I think I did rebranded my all my items, but that was more like a break. I didn't want that name anymore. I wanted something that represents me personally, especially me and my brand. So so I am here today, and I will definitely let you guys know when I will be launching, and my website, especially my website. It probably maybe the end of September or maybe the second week of October, if I can get all my inventory and supplies by then, and if I can make a few more items. I'm not gonna make a huge batch of it. I'm just gonna make some to see if it's gonna actually sell, so I will know how to make more. So quantity is limited. If you guys are interested, you guys can always message me in my email, or comment down below, and I will get back to you when I can. I am actually 31 weeks pregnant, so I will be doing the end of almost the end of October. So I'm not sure if it's going to be the second week or the third week, so that plan may be probably I think I might roll over to like December, so who knows. So I'll let you guys know at that time. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I think I need a scissor, so I think I'll come back, but I will show you how it looks like. It's a very huge box. And then okay, so let's go ahead and look at the box. Okay, so this is the package that just came August 31st 2020 on Monday. And it took it didn't take that long, but for them to actually send it to me was a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and open and see how it looks like inside. You're seeing is my eyelash tweezers with my logo on it, and then the rest will be my eyelash packaging and the lashes. So I'm gonna figure out how to, this is so nicely put in the box. I don't want to ruin it, but I have to get and dig to the eyelashes. So yeah, let's dive right in. As you can see, the boxes are like this. We still have more of the tweezers right there. I actually ordered 100 of them, so if you guys are interested, check out my website soon, and I will be posting it up in Etsy. I will lay down my Etsy shop down in the comments or the description down below too. And let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. Like 9 pairs of lashes. I'm gonna have to find them all, and then I will show you how they look like and the names that I chose for each and every one of them. So I actually pick out names for these already, and the names that I will be using for this is gonna be permanent. I won't change it unless they no longer carry it or it's no longer around. So that's the only way or reason why I probably won't have them anymore. But I'm gonna find my line lashes and show you what they are and the names, and so we can actually go ahead and look at all the lashes and see how they look. Alright, so look at all the mess I made. Looking for all of them. They weren't that bad. It was just hard to look at to find the numbers. Okay, so I will show you how the lashes look like. I'm so in love with these. They are so pretty. Okay, so I'm finally back. So I got all 9 of them right there. It's so pretty. I'll show you the logo. It looks like that. The sun is in my face. It looks like that. Alright, and then the back looks like that. Okay, so again, I have 9 pairs. There's a limited quantities for each and every one of these, so be sure to check down probably below if I forget to put it down there. It will I will actually let you guys know once I start launching how much or how many I have for each styles. So this one is actually put down notes of all the names. So I call this one Classy. So this is the style Classy. Again, that's okay. So Classy looks like that. Some are dramatic and some are for my natural girls. So this is Classy. And the one that I'm actually wearing, I don't have it. I'm actually in the process of trying these on, and then I will purchase these soon. So again, that's Classic right there. Oh my god, the sun is so nice now. So yeah, so that's Classy. And then this next one is, so the next one is, I call this one Diva. So this is my style. So it looks like that. You can see from over there. So it's so shiny. So that's Diva. Let's see. They're probably about 7 to 20 millimeters. So this one I call it Desire. And this is again the style Desire. Let me look at it. I forgot what I order sometimes. So this is Desire. So yeah, so that is Desire. And the next one is Gorgeous. Let's see. So it looks like that. And if you guys want closer videos or pictures, it will be in my Instagram too as well. So keep an eye out for that. It's Paradise. So we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so I'm calling this. I will definitely put down the sizes down below if you guys are interested. Again, this is Paradise. I love them all. And then here is Elegant. So this one is Elegant. Oh, let's see. And if you guys notice, I have marble on the top and a pink in the middle. I'm not really into holographic or all those glitters like a lot of these young girls. I just like mine just straight matte. This is how the bag looks like. Yeah, just straight matte. I'm a mom, of course, so I do like it if I was younger, but now it's more like maybe not. I'm calling this one Babe. Let's see. This one I'm calling Babe. Let's see. Right there. So this is my style, Babe. Right there. And it's really, really pretty. And then I got two more. And then this is, I'm calling this one Love. It's a very different spelling. So this one I'm calling Love. Right there. Alright, I got one or two more. Nope, just one. This one I'm calling it, I'm calling this one Kinky. Right there. And if I did get some of the names wrong, since I think I misplaced one of them or two of them. Yeah, so that's Kinky. Okay, so those are all my lashes. So I guess that wraps up my video for today. And then I will come back and show you guys how I label these, and especially organize it, maybe just labeling them and trying to figure out where am I gonna put some of these lashes, eyelashes, especially these tweezers too as well. So if I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna label it and probably do some other stuff too as well. I'll probably think of something. So that wraps up my my lashes names and everything. And again, I am the owner now of Smexy Beauty Bar. Don't forget to check me out pretty soon. I will be launching again all those products that I've mentioned, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram and especially TikTok. So I do have a TikTok for especially for business, and I heard that they were gonna shut that down, so I'm not so sure. But do follow me there, and then my Facebook page too as well. I will leave it probably right here or maybe in a description down below. And if you guys have any questions, comment, like, and share to someone who actually loves lashes. I actually have two different kinds. I have with three different styles of 3D luxury mink lashes, and then I have 6 pairs of 3D fox mink lashes. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to shop at my website pretty soon. But my Etsy shop is actually up and running. For now, I'm not so sure what will happen later on, but again, that wraps it up, and I'm so glad that you guys took your time out to join me. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.